Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make an object in JavaScript and how to use the word this. So I'll keep it simple. After watching this video you will feel more comfortable when using the word this. So first of all, I'm going to declare a variable inside of my script here. You see this is the script tag, and I'm going to type in let's say a singer. All right, so singer equals 2, and then I'm going to open 2 curly braces. So I have made this object now. All right, so this is an object, everyone. So this is how you declare an object. Now inside of the object I can say, for example, name. All right, so you say name and then you say colon, and then you could add a string or a number or a boolean like true or false. But I'm going to add a name here, so let's say DJ Khaled. All right, so this is the name of the singer. I'm going to add a comma, and this let's say age. I don't know how old is DJ Khaled, but I'm going to say 38, 37. I'm not sure about it. Then I'm going to say a comma, and you see, I'm going to say song. So favorite song. So favorite should be like this. Favorite song. I'm going to say DJ Khaled. All right. So DJ Khaled. All right. So we have some properties there. For example, name, age, favorite song, and let me add one more. I'm going to say car, favorite car. So favorite car. Let's say his favorite car is BMW. All right, so these are some properties. We have added some properties there. Now we are going to use a method. So a method is basically a function. We are going to say, for example, say something. All right, because it's going to say something. So I can say something, and then I can make it a function. So for example, colon, and then I can say function. All right, like that. So you see I have uh, added this function here. This property is called a method. All right, a method is basically a function inside of an object. All right, so right here I could use the shortcut for instead of saying say something colon function, I could basically just say something, and to keep it shorter. All right, so now inside of the say something we can basically add something, so it will always return something. So we will say return. All right, and I'm going to use backticks. So I'm going to use the backticks. All right, so you press the button next to number 1. So when you add them, when you press it twice, it's going to add 2 of these. All right, so we are going to add 2 of these, and inside of this we are going to say, for example, like this, my name is. All right, so what is my name? All right, it's going to say that this is DJ Khaled saying his name. My name is, I don't want to type in my name is DJ Khaled. No, I want to use this property. So I'm going to say, for example, $, and 2, we open 2 curly braces like this. So now we will be able to use that property name. So I'm going to say, for example, singer.name. All right, so I'm gonna keep it right here. All right, okay, so now let's call this function and print it inside of this paragraph. So I'm going to say, for example, document.get element by ID, and I'm going to use that name, so print. All right, I'm going to say .inner HTML to change the so inner HTML equals to, and I'm going to say singer all right, the name of that object, and then I'm going to say something. All right, so you see, and you add two parentheses like that. All right, so you see it says my name is DJ Khaled. So it has printed, it has called that method, and let's use some other properties. So I'm going to add a dot here. All right, so my name is DJ Khaled. My favorite song is, and I'm going to use the same thing. So $sign and open two curly braces. Now we are going to use that property name, which is favorite song. It doesn't matter which one you print first, so you don't have to. So, oops. You see, when you type that in, it's not gonna work. So you'll have to say singer. So the name of the object and then dot. All right, and then the name of the property. So singer dot favorite song. So you see, it says my name is DJ Khaled. My favorite song is DJ Khaled. All right. So now we will keep going on. I think I'm not gonna print the age, but I'm going to print the favorite car. Right. My favorite car is, so $sign and two curly braces. Again, singer dot, and then we are going to say favorite car. Okay, so you see it says my name is Khalid and so on and so forth. So we have that. Now it's returning this. So let me just move this down so you can see it better actually. So you see this is what we have now. So let me just go left a little bit. So I have declared an object. I named it singer, and I have added some properties, and I have used a method. All right, now this line is basically, so you see document.getElement by ID print. It basically prints whatever that method is calling this method or this function. All right, and it's printing it on the browser. All right, so we are using the DOM element to print it. All right, so you see document.getElement by ID and so on. So this is what we have. So now this is the climax of this video. All right, so you see I said singer.name, singer.favorite, singer.favorite car. So there is one word that is that you can use. So there's this magic word, and instead of saying singer.name, singer.favorite, so we can basically replace all of these with the word this. All right, so instead of saying singer, I can say this to refer to this object. Okay, so now we will basically change this singer with the word this. So let's do that. So I'm going to say this. Oops, what did I do? So I'm only interested in replacing the singer. So I'm going to say this. All right, so you see it works. So this and this. All right, so you see our code is the same. In here, I cannot change it to this dot say something. No, because this is only, this keyword only works inside of that object. So you see, this is the end of our object. All right, so this is the end of our object. I'll not be able to say this here, but I'll be able to use it inside of my object. All right, so this is basically how you can use the word this. So instead of using the name of the object, you basically use this. All right, so you see I said this dot name, this dot favorite song, and so on. So This is how basically you can use the word this inside of an object. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.